Hello, my name is Urban Fow, and this is my Week 10 Java program. And in this program, uh, I populate an array from a text file and display some of the info from the array in a table format. So here's the program. Here's all the imports and everything. I used a buffered reader. I could have just used like input stream, but Anyway, so I didn't make the array first. I actually read the file into a list, and then I converted the list into an array. So here's the list. Here's the buffered reader. Here it adds things to the list. Those are the catches. And here is where I convert the list into an array using toArray. And here is me setting up the table. And here I display the contents of the array for each currency. So we'll run it. Ta-da! Here's the table, conversion, amount it converts to, currency conversions, the amount, and this is the bit that is read from the text file into the array. This right here, this column. So yeah, that's it. I'm sure there's a way to make it more elegant than doing it like this, but I wasn't entirely sure how to incorporate that, so I just went with this simple thing. But that's it.